it begins submission to wherever it is He'd have you do, and wherever it may be, and whatever He may have you do. And if you don't have that, no matter what He leads you into, it's all for naught. You're just playing games. And once the game's not fun anymore, you just go home. And so I guess He's calling us to lifelong faithfulness and service, obedience, first and foremost. And then after that, if that fellowship's sweet, then He'll lead you anywhere. And so He's led us here into Bible translation. In Vanuatu, Ross in Papua New Guinea for years. Vanuatu, and simply making disciples who know Jesus, love Jesus, love their neighbors. It's very simple.